Save frequently used fax numbers as individual or group entries in the phone book. To create an individual entry, go to the home screen of the printer control panel, touch Fax, and then touch Phone Book. Touch Local Phone Book, and then touch the Add Contact icon. Touch Name. Enter the name of the contact, and then touch Done. Touch Fax Number. Enter the fax number, and then touch Done. Touch Add to save the new contact. To edit an individual entry, touch the contact name, and then touch Name, Fax Number, or Delete. Follow the control panel screens to update the entry. To create a group entry, go to the home screen of the control panel, touch Fax, and then touch Phone Book. Touch Local Phone Book, the phone book icon, and then the group icon. Touch the Add New Group icon. Touch Name. Enter a name for the group, and then touch Done. Touch Number of Members. Touch the name of each contact to add, and then touch Select. Touch Create to save the new group. To edit existing group entries, touch the group icon, the group name, and then touch Name, Number of Members, or Delete. Follow the control panel screens to update the group.